my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a brand new release from Too Faced. This is the latest part of their Clover collection. It's a brand new highlighter. It's called the GLOWVER Puppy Love Highlighter. GLOWVER is just so adorable. I know some people are probably going to think it's super cheesy, but I just think it's cute. I love that Too Faced kind of embraces the kitschiness of some of the things that they put out, and I'm here for it all day. I know it's not everybody's aesthetic, but I love it. I think it's so cute. This GLOWVER highlighter is launching on May 7th, and it will be priced at $30 US. As of right now, this highlighter is going to be exclusive to the Too Faced website. A few of the other Clover items were originally Too Faced exclusive, which means they first launched just on the Too Faced website, and then eventually they became available at Ulta. I have no idea if that's going to happen with this highlighter or not. I really hope this becomes available at Ulta. Personally, I like shopping at somewhere like Ulta or Sephora versus a brand website just because I feel like I can get more bang for my buck and I'm more likely to get free shipping and all that jazz. But as of right now, this is just going to be on the Too Faced website. With every single Clover product launched, Too Faced has donated a set sum of money to a certain animal cause. They have supported a few different organizations, and the launch of the GLOWVER highlighter is supporting the Vanderpump Dog Foundation. It's a rescue organization dedicated to creating a better world for our furry best friends. And for this launch, they are donating $25,000. I love that they're doing a set sum instead of a portion of proceeds. That way, no matter how many individual items they sell, they're still giving this great gift to a rescue organization. I love that they chose this particular organization. Although I don't know too much about this, I will link their website in the description box if you want to learn more. But I have a rescued dog and she is the best dog ever, and I'm such a big believer in rescuing animals. Adopt, don't shop. Of course, this product is cruelty-free. All of Too Faced products are cruelty-free. They're not all vegan. This highlighter is not vegan. It does contain carmine. It has this really cute lettering around the sides of the pan. It says, "Be cool, not cruel, hashtag Too Faced cruelty-free." I think that's such a cute little detail. It definitely goes along with the whole vibe of this Clover collection, benefiting our furry best friends. This is the outer box. It has the little Clover cartoon. Super, super cute. And then on the back, it does refer to this highlighter being limited edition, just FYI. The highlighter compact itself is the little Clover face, just like their Puppy Love eyeshadow palette that they released a few months ago. This is a gold metallic look, but it is a heavy duty plastic, and this does have a magnetic closure. Inside there is a nice sized mirror. This does not come with a brush or any kind of applicator. I also want to point out that you're getting quite a bit of product in here. Don't be distracted by this very, very adorably printed powder. There is a lot of highlighter in here. According to the sticker on the back, this has 9.2 grams of highlighter, which is pretty large considering that a full-size Becca highlighter is 8 grams. So you really are getting a lot of bang for your buck. You're getting a lot of product in here. Super, super cute packaging. Plus, you know that by supporting this product, by supporting the Clover line, you're supporting a bunch of great animal organizations. Now that I've given you all the info, all the rundown on this product, I want to first do a demo. I'm going to show you me applying this highlighter to my face today. I feel like my glow is looking really good. So I'm going to show you how I got this glowy look using the GLOWVER Puppy Love highlighter. We are going to apply this beautiful GLOWVER Puppy Love highlighter using one of my favorite, all-time favorite highlighting brushes. This is the Morphe M501. I love the fluffy bristles and the sort of tapered end to give me a very diffused, soft, sort of ethereal glow. And this highlighter is perfect for that. It gives you a very natural lit from within type of glow. But if you want to kick it up a notch, you can definitely do that by adding some setting spray. I'm going to be using the ABH Dewy Set Spray. I just put a little bit of that on my cheeks and fan it until it is almost dry, so it's still just a little bit damp on the skin. Then I'm going to take some more of the GLOWVER Puppy Love highlighter on that exact same tapered brush from Morphe and put that on top of that slightly damp skin, and it really adds an extra layer of shine. It ups the intensity. It's still not a super like metallic in your face glow. It still has a softness and a natural look to it. But you can see here, it's definitely showing up. It definitely is giving me tons of glow. This is perfect for summer. I'm still going to continue to be able to wear this shade even as I get more of a tan. I just love the way this looks. Now that you've seen me apply this highlighter, I want to show you a bunch of comparison swatches. Because this soft champagne gold type of highlighter is very popular, I want to show you the GLOWVER Puppy Love highlighter in comparison to some other really popular highlighters that are of a similar hue. I think most of these highlighters that I'm using to compare are pretty well-known shades, well-known brands, so hopefully this can give you a good idea of what this shade truly looks like applied to the skin. These are all just finger swatches. Let's get into the comparisons and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts at the end. First, let's have a look at some ColourPop Super Shock highlighters. We have Lunch Money, which is a bit paler than GLOWVER. A Smile and a Song is probably the closest match. And then Wisp, you can see, is a lot more bronzy. Now we're taking a look at Urban Decay Sin. This one is a bit lighter and more of a white reflection. We're also comparing to the ever popular Champagne Pop. And I think you can tell here, Champagne Pop is a bit more peachy in undertone compared to GLOWVER. Lastly, we're going to look at Citrine from Jouer and also Gilded Honey from Laura Geller. Of all the comparisons I did for this video, I think that the closest match in both shade and texture is Citrine from Jouer. I really hope that those shade comparisons were helpful to you. In general, I think that this highlighter color is super popular. Most of us who own any fair amount of makeup probably have this color, and that's because it's very popular. It looks great on so many people. I wouldn't say it's universal because I really don't think there's any such thing as a universal highlighter, but I do think this is going to cover a lot of skin tones. It's going to be best suited to medium skin tones. I do feel that this shade would be too dark for anybody who's significantly fairer than I am, and it probably would be too light and maybe a little ashy looking on very deep dark skin tones. But I really think that this shade covers a wide range in the middle. I would consider myself a light skin tone, so not super fair, but definitely not in the medium or tan spectrum. So anybody from light to like medium deep, this is gonna look beautiful on. I'm not gonna fault them or bash them for making a color that's so similar to so many other colors, because this shade is popular for a reason, and I mean, we pretty much all love it. Who are we kidding? This is a great shade for so many people. All in all, I love the way this looks on. It's not as soft, like creamy to the touch like a Super Shock, but I'd say it's more similar in texture to the Jouer highlighters. Not so soft that it feels like a cream, but not so dry that it feels like it's going to be dusty. Just perfectly right in the middle. It applied really easily, really beautifully. So if you're in the market for a really adorably packaged golden champagne shade, then this is it right here, launching on May 7th. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about this highlighter. Is it on your wish list? Are you like me and you own a dozen of these kind of shades, but you still somehow keep acquiring them? I always love to hear what you guys think about things too, so leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I feel like my lighting looks weird. Focus on me. Zoom in. Zoom out. Focus. 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 Good enough. Does she know what she's talking about? Nobody knows because she can't speak words. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Why can't I say this? I get so mad at myself when I can't talk. What's happening here? Golden, soft champagne gold. That was the worst description ever. I don't know what that means. Ugh. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. It's supposed to be a simple video. It's just one highlighter. But no. If you can't talk, then no video is simple. Oh my goodness. There's definitely a bug in here. I'm really scared that it's a wasp. Because I killed a wasp in my house like a week ago. Help. Are you allowed to talk about killing wasps in a video about animal rescue support and cruelty free? Sorry. I mean, it has carmine in it, so feels appropriate. Get it? Because carmine's made from bugs? No? Okay. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go get my husband to hunt and kill this bug. So wish me luck. And if this video never gets uploaded, it's because this bug killed me in my beauty room. Dramatic? Me? Never. Okay, bye.